What's up, y'all? Micakes here, and on this channel we're here to love ourselves and our bodies and strive as women in society. And on today's video I'll just be sharing with you a few things that I pay original price for and that I save more on, so it can help you figure out where you can spend and save more consciously. I divided the video into 4 categories, which is clothes, makeup and toiletries, shoes, and hobbies. So yeah, let's get into the video. What's up, y'all? So the first category we're gonna get into is clothes. So yeah, so the clothes that usually I spend on are things like basics or things that resonate with me, things that like speak to me when I'm at the store. You know, like items that you're like, yo, I need that regardless of the price. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you some of my items, clothes that I have that I have paid original price for. These freaking blue leggings from Cotton On that I bought full price, and I was really debating about it when I bought it, but it's like this really nice material, and I feel like it's something that you wouldn't find in the sale, like it would run out if it was on sale, and it's blue, you know. I really like switching the colors up on my leggings because I just feel like it's different and it looks really nice. Another basic that I bought full price was this Brandy Melville cardigan. I feel like, you know, like everyone has had one of these. This cardigan was like $60 or something at the time, but I think I got my first paycheck and my first job when I was like 16 or 17. And I went to the city in San Francisco, and I went to the Marina District, I think it's called. It was like when Brandy Melville was still hyped, and I didn't know what to get, so I just bought this, even though it was expensive, but it was my first paycheck. I was like, why not? The last thing that I spend on would be like something that resonates to me. So this is it's called batik in the Philippines. But it's like the material is batik. I think so. It's this really nice dress, and I haven't worn it, but it's so beautiful. There's a ruching in the back, so it like cinches at your waist where you're the most thinnest, you know, to exaggerate your curves, and it goes all the way to the end. It covers your whole body. It goes all the way to the end. I saw it at the mall at a kiosk in the Philippines, and then I just left it there, and then I think I went back the next day and I bought it because I was like, yes, I really want it. So where I save money for clothes, which is usually my style, you know what I'm saying, but is thrifted clothes. I don't really buy sale clothes because it's not that I find a lot of like sale item clothing, but I do go thrifting a whole shit ton. This t-shirt is a NorCal t-shirt. It's like a jersey. I wore it to the Warriors parade when they won in 2015 because it was blue and yellow. And yeah, it's inside out too. But I thrifted this, and it's like really dope because I've had it for a while. This is one of my favorite graphic tees. I got this from a flea market, and it just says "Make waves for clean ocean, San Francisco." It's really dope. And I cut the collar because it was like kind of long. Things that I thrift are like jeans. I like thrifting jeans and shorts. And I like thrifting like unique pieces that you won't find anywhere else, pieces that you would rarely wear, like you wouldn't really wear all the time, because if you buy something that you're not going to wear all the time, it's not going to be really worth your money. But if you thrift it, you're not really spending a lot, you know what I'm saying? So that's the clothes section of my video. Next, we're going to move on to shoes that I would pay full price for. My skate highs. I mean, where can you get discounted skate highs? Unless it's like a color that you don't really want. I saw these like low cut old schools that are orange, and they're on sale, but I never found my size, so I guess it wasn't meant to be, but they're really cool. Maybe I can show you guys. Another pair of shoes that I paid original price for are my Adidas slides. These are so worth it, dude. My slides. These are the only sandals I brought back with me from the Philippines. They're so light. Like, this is, now I know why everybody wears these. I got it in this periwinkle color. I wore these on the airplane. I just put them like on the side of my backpack and then changed my shoes when I got to the airport. But they're so light. They're like less than $20. Good investment. And I would even buy another pair. These are really nice. I also do buy shoes on sale. These, sorry if they're dirty, I don't really take care of my shoes because they're like on the ground, so I don't really care if they're dirty. My green Pumas, I changed the laces on these to green. I think they were like white, but I changed them to green laces. I got these on sale. I think my mom got them for me. And it's not something that like I wanted like a specific style of. I just got them because I was like, they're on sale and I could wear them with things. So yeah, I wear these a lot, so yep. Shoes that I got on sale are these Sperry's. These are really nice. I love these shoes. They're skateable, but I don't skate in them because it's like the material is like, it's like that soft material. It's like the Vans style where it's like Velcro. And yeah, I think they're super cute. And they're super comfortable. I like wearing them with ankle high socks. So yeah, shoes that I save on is like styles that I'm not looking for the particular style. If I'm just like, I just need like a black shoe or like green shoe, like I'll just get them on sale. But like if I'm looking for a particular style, then like yeah, of course I would pay full price. So the next category we are gonna get into is makeup. So like MAC, I've never seen MAC have a sale ever. Like I don't think MAC has a sale. So these are my MAC blushes. This is Stubborn, which is like it's very pigmented, which is like a rosy color. Shit. This is MAC Harmony, and this is like I'm wearing it today. It's just like a nice flush, so you don't look like you're just one color. This one is not pigmented at all. You have to really like rub your brush in it. This is a like glitter for your body. It smells really good. It smells like vacation. I have not been on vacation. I just wear this like going out if I'm wearing like sleeveless like this, or like a cute crop top or something. I'll just like put this on, and it's like, I think it's from Made in France. So usually I would spend for makeup like high-end products, Sephora products, or products that again also resonate with me, that I'm like, ooh, like I think I would really use that. Then I would spend full price. Makeup that I save on, I like buying travel size makeup, especially if I'm just trying it out. So like if I want to try something out that's like high-end brand, I'll just buy travel size. So for example, I have these Bumble and Bumble travel size. It's for thick hair. This is a salt infused spray, and this is a like hair styler. I love this. I think I might buy the full size because you just put this on when your hair's wet, and it makes it like a good texture when it's dry. Like it's manageable when it's dry. Another set of travel size that I got was from MAC, and I got this set. So it comes with strobe cream. I got it because I wanted to try strobe cream. And even this travel size, like, I feel will last me a really long time, because you really only need really need a little bit. And I usually just use it as a highlighter, but you can even mix it with your moisturizer. It's just like to make you look glowy. It came also with a tiny little 0.2 fluid ounces cleansing oil, which works really freaking well. I recommend it because when I use this cleansing oil to take off my mascara, there's no residue at all. And then it came with this cool bottle, MAC Fix Plus. I just refill it. It's refillable. And lastly, what I save on, I always buy like drugstore mascara and like makeup, buy one get one, because at Ulta they always have sale, like buy one get one. So I always wait for that. I never buy drugstore if it's like if you buy it at CVS full price, it's just more money. At Ulta it's like buy one get one, so you save. So I have like buy one get one eyeliner that I still, these are a backup, but I don't really wear black eyeliner that often. So I'll try and link some of these stuff on Ulta or Target. So that was the makeup portion. So the last category is hobbies. Hobbies that I spend on is something like aromatherapy. I'm really getting into aromatherapy. It can cure ailments, and especially when you have kids, you can, you know, use aromatherapy to help them, and it's more natural. Aromatherapy uses essential oil, and essential oil comes from like plants and herbs and stuff. It's extracted. That's why it's expensive, because it's like extracted from plants. And for aromatherapy, this is my burner, the little Buddha head. I got this full price because it was my birthday and I was like, I'm gonna buy myself one of these. The only problem with this is to light it, you need to insert a candle in the back, and you have to always be buying tea lights, the little candles. They're not expensive, but over time, you know, it adds up. And because if you buy a diffuser, you can just plug it in and you don't have to buy tea lights. I mean, I burn, like, I used to burn every day, but I burn I burn essential oils probably like every other day or every few days, because essential oils are freaking expensive. My favorite essential oil is my Clary Sage. This is my first one I ever bought. It is my Clary Sage. It's the first one I bought because I thought it was so cool. I bought it because I started reading aromatherapy books, and so this is supposed to, if you're like in a depressed mood or you're depressed, you put like 2-3 drops in your burner. You put water in here and 2-3 drops of this, and you burn it, and it's supposed to lighten your mood. And it really works. Like, whenever I have a bad day, if I'm just like irritable, or I just like am in a bad mood, or I'm having a bad day, or maybe my period is acting up, I put this on alone and I feel a lot better. I feel lighter. It can also work if you're just like in a normal state. It can bring you to euphoria. Things that I've saved for my hobbies are books. These are the books I have with me right now. The rest of them I left in the Philippines. But I've thrifted all of these, or these are used. So my 2 aromatherapy books, I'm still reading this. These are all used from like a bookstore at the mall. I'm just getting educated on aromatherapy, so I just get used books. This is a book I bought at Goodwill for $2. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, a guide to spiritual enlightenment. This book is really cool. It teaches you on how to just be more present, and the power of being present and what being present means, and teaches you as a person. There's like this little symbol here where after you read you're supposed to just pause and then like internalize what you just read and think about it. It was only $2, you know. You don't really have to go buy full price books unless you're like supporting the author, or like, I don't know, you really like the book or something, you want it in your collection. I think that was all my items that I spend and save on. Hopefully it helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!